Hi folks, in today's video tutorial I am going to show you how you can insert a 3D model in PowerPoint. So simple to say, you can export the GLB file from SketchUp, Creo, CATIA, Blender or Inventor and SolidWorks and directly use in the PowerPoint presentation. If your software doesn't export the GLB file, I will show you how you can convert from step file to GLB. So let's have a look. I will jump directly to Creo 11, and over here we are able to open many neutral data from different software. So I have found a nice 3D model, and as you can see, the systems download for me the zip file. It's not a problem. You can open the zip file immediately, and then I am able to choose that I would like to see all files. And then simple to select the SolidWorks assembly, for example, and the system will load all information in Creo session. The Creo doesn't support direct export to GLB, so we will use the conversion to step file, and then I will use my web page for the 4ksite.com, and we will convert data to necessary file. So simple, save model as the step file, select that you would like to use the step, and change the name if necessary. In the option tab, I would like to reuse that my exported data will include appearances. So what does it mean? I'd like to include all colors from the 3D to step file. Simple, go to advanced and include appearance and layers, confirm OK, and confirm OK. Step file has been created on hard drive, and we would like to convert the step file to GLB file. Visit please 4ksite.com, and directly on the main page I have created in the customization model format converter. And if you will click here, the system will redirect to direct transformation from step file to GLB file. As you can see, you can use the drop down menu and choose the different files which will be transformed to another format. So everything is online, it's free. Simple, upload a file. I will select direct created shock absorber. An object will be loaded. In the web view, you can spin the model, or you can use also the full screen. So that's great that you can use the full screen and set up some preferences. As you can see, the color has been taken from the model from 3D, but also you are able to edit material directly here. So I like it. And for example, you can see here that current material is material 1, and you can choose and change the color. Everything is going online, so you can choose the different color and specify it as you want. If you would like to change the another color, please select and change as you wish. And also you can change one by one and apply some small modification. Yeah, all this color after exporting to your hard drive will be transformed to GLB file, and you are able to use it in your PowerPoint presentation. So let's continue. We are scroll down, and I am able right now to download the GLB file. Specify the name, confirm save, and we are able to go right now directly to PowerPoint. In PowerPoint, you can create your custom slide. It's simple. You can select new slide, and then with the drag and drop functionality from the hard drive, you are able to modify the object directly in the PowerPoint. Simple, open the location where you stored your file, and with the drag and drop functionality, place your 3D model into PowerPoint presentation. In the PowerPoint, you are able to spin the model. Yeah, simple. Rotate how you need. Also, you can see that over there are a few draggers. If you would like to specify some additional preferences, I am able to select right mouse button and format 3D model. And over here, for example, you are able to specify the reflection and specify the reflection. So directly when you will spin the model, reflection will be applied and maybe your model will be much better and nicer, and also the visualization will be fine. If you don't want to use it, simple, I don't want to see the reflection, and then you can continue. If you would like to create more view, that's great. You can select with the copy and paste, Control C, Control V. You can specify and turn and zoom as you want. Yeah, so that's really, really good that you are able to place more pictures in your PowerPoint presentation. If you would like to jump to slideshow, please select the icon, and the 3D model was inserted into PowerPoint. I'd like to thank you for your question. Stay tuned, and bye-bye. Vladimir.